Today we are going to look into Snapshot and restore from the snapshot. For that I have created one instance with two volumes. I have connected to the instance through remote desktop and I have created a new volume SD for the storage 2 GB and I have copy paste some image in the D drive. Now I have selected the 2 GB volume and I'm going to create a snapshot. I have given the name and description for the snapshot. Now I'm going to click on create snapshot. So now the snapshot is created successfully. Now I'm going to delete the existing instance. Terminating the existing instance and going to create a new one. So I have created the second instance. It's in running state now. I have connected to the second instance through remote desktop and now we are able to see the root volume semicolon. Now I'm going to restore the 2 GB volume from the snapshot. So I have selected the availability zone as US is to 1D. This is the availability zone of my second instance. Now I'm going to click on create volume. So now the new volume is created from the snapshot. Now I'm going to attach this volume. Now the volume is attached to the instance. Now in the remote desktop we are able to see the new volume, the 2 GB one storage in the disk management screen as well as in the this PC. Let me click on the D colon. We are able to see the image one in our second instance under the D colon. Thank you.